So welcome to another realistic week in my life.
Your tears are falling, you can't feel them. You want peace, but can't feel it. You got it, you can't do it. You need Jesus. We all need Jesus.
How are you?
Fringes on, stepping out the house like a daughter of Zion. Covered up, but the glow on me loud, ain't no denying.
So they wanna call me
Not vain, but I walk with a holy alignment. Beauty and obedience, no world can define it. Every stitch got a purpose, yeah. Every move I'm still worshiping. My reflection ain't my idol, the Most High's my only king. Ring is on, looking right. Wanna see the drip tonight. Set apart, living life. I don't chase the world spotlight. Friends is on, who you like? Good but still I shine so bright. I'm chosen, that's the vibe. Not a show, it's the fruit of the spirit inside me. Every step, every thought, he refined me. Cover heart, cover body, cover mind.
Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How you guys doing? Today is Saturday, and I could not go out for my morning run because I slept off. I slept very well last night, and because it rained, the weather was so cool, so I had to sleep, guys. So today is Saturday. Like I said, I don't really have anything that I'm doing. I'm just charging my phone. Mama, come and say hi to my vlog. Come and say hi. Come now, don't be shy. Oh my god, they are shy. You are going to see them in this video, don't worry. So I think today I'll be doing my Bible study today, and what again? Maybe later in the evening I'm going to be washing my clothes, my dirty clothes, and I'm just going to be doing my house chores like later. But when I'm done charging, right now I'm charging my phone. So when I'm done charging, I'm going to be doing all those stuff. I'm not in my house right now. I'm in my neighbor's house charging. We don't have lights today, unaware, because of the rainfall. So I would like you guys to like this video now. Like it now before we continue. Like this video now. Comment and subscribe. I used to see your views, but I don't see your likes and comments. Why, guys? Come on, do that right now. So guys, make sure you get your voters card ready. We need to change the situation of this country. We need to change the story of Nigeria, because Nigeria is becoming scary day by day. So we need to change it, guys. Make sure you get a voters card. And yep, I think that's all for now. Mama, come and say hi.
Hi.
Come like this. Hi. Say subscribe. Say subscribe. Come and say subscribe. So see you guys later, okay? Bye.
Every stage got a purpose, yeah. Every move I'm still worshiping. My reflection ain't my idol, the Most High's my only king. Ring is on, looking right. Wanna see the drip tonight. Set apart, living life. I don't chase the world spotlight. Fringes on, holy light. But still it shines so bright. I'm chosen, that's the vibe. Walking in the truth with pride.
Got these fears on my back trying to weigh me down, but I know I ain't meant just to wear that crown. When the stress in my chest get too loud, too strong, I lay it down, he been there all along. Let it go, let it go. He got everything you can't control. All that doubt, all that pain in your soul. Trust the one who's still running the show. Let it go, let it go. He got everything you can't control. All that doubt, all that pain in your soul. Trust the one who's still running the show. Let it go. Let it go.
Slow down, sis. Soft restraint. I used to fight just to feel in control. Got it hard, heavy mind, couldn't let things go. But grace taught me love is a softer road. Strength and peace, that's how I grow. Soft instead of hard, yeah, I'm learning my role. Patience in my voice, sweetness in my soul. Still strong, but the fruit's what he knows. Love is a light, and I'm letting it show. I choose peace. I choose love. Soft.
Some days the pressure feels loud in my brain. Shadows calling me back to the old life. Tempted by the things that once felt right, but pieces in the narrow, not the spotlight. And I know the enemy waits for a moment, trying to pull me back where I don't belong, yeah. But I clung to his word and he spoke it. I made you stronger, keep going, yeah. Still standing, I don't break. Temptation rising, but it's grace outweigh. Heart tension, but it's soon his way. Light in the dark, that's how I'm made. I fell before, had to dust all the shame. He wiped me clean, now I walk unchained. Discipline daily, it ain't a game. Obedience shining louder than the pain. Yeah, the fight gets real in the midnight, but he's a strength that keeps me upright. Can't play both sides, gotta pick right, and every no is another win in his sight. Now, yeah, yeah. Heart dancing, but I stay his way. Light in the dark, that's how I'm made.
Hello besties. So guys, it's raining outside like crazy. It's raining outside and I don't think the rain will stop anytime soon. The time is just past 10 to 11 and it's raining like this, so it's obvious it's not going to end now. And thank God I'm in the house. The most painful part of it is there's no light, so I'm using this my LED light I got from Temu. If you have not watched the vlog, you kindly go back to my previous video to watch it, guys. My previous videos were very, very interesting. Sometimes I used to just go back to like enjoying them because I was like, oh, look at how I started. But I'm so grateful to God and to you guys, my supporters. I'm so happy that I'm still here. So welcome to another realistic week in my life. where I showed you guys the real parts, or the real things around me, about me, that you don't know about, right? So I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog, and I'm going to be ending this vlog here because of the rain, no light, my battery is very, very low, and I'm using my power bank right now. I think it's just 2 bar I'm having right now, so I'm just going to be using it to edit, to wrap up this vlog, right? So I'll be so happy and pleased if you kindly subscribe to my channel. If you're watching this vlog till this point, I love you so much. Please kindly like, whenever you watch my video, kindly like, just click on the like button. It won't take you anything. As you're watching, you can just like the video, then YouTube will be able to push my video out. Please, I would like you guys to always engage. Even if you don't have anything to say in the comment section, you can also drop a emoji, any emoji at all you want to drop. Just drop it. I will appreciate it, please. But please always like my video, always like it, please. Even if you're not going to stay till the end of the video, just like it so that YouTube can push out the video, please. And if you're not yet a subscriber, please just hit on the subscribe button right now. You're seeing on your screen, just hit the subscribe button to subscribe. It won't take you anything. It won't take you anything to subscribe, please, guys. So I'm going to see you guys on my next video. Bye and take care. God bless you guys. I love you guys. I love you so much. Bye.